Going for a walk.
Honey, you sure you want to eat right now? I was thinking about going for a walk. Ash, go to the dog park?
Go outside.
Do you want to go to the dog park?
Park? But it just depends. I mean, are you hungry?
Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk?
Squirrel.
Chicken. Chicken.
Alright, who wants ice cream?
Do you want your treat? Do you want to go outside?
And then we'll go get a treat and we'll have dinner. And I'll make you dinner. And I'll make you want to have some salad.
Do you want to go potty?